Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right over there and hit that notification bell so you can get notified every single time I post.
Hello and welcome. Today is Tuesday. As I mentioned earlier, I upload videos on Tuesdays and Fridays. Today we're gonna talk about credit card versus a debit card. What do you think about when you have a debit card and you have a credit card? The first and foremost thing, we usually need emergency money. So when you use your cash, which is in your debit card, that means you don't have a saving. So in order for you to have a saving, you need to keep your saving in the bank and use your credit card. So you need to have a credit card and to build your credit. The more you use your credit card, the more you build your credit score. So don't think that because you have money in the bank, it's always good to go and swipe your debit card. Always try to go and use your credit card so you can save that money for your emergency. And if you run out of money, you can always swipe your credit card and you can pay minimum of that money. Let's say if your credit card minimum payment is $25, you just need to go and swipe $25. Then you go to your bank, check in, pay that $25. That you are building your credit, you have a history, and you still have money saved in your account. Rather than to go swipe your debit card, you finish all your saving and now you're worried because you don't have enough savings. So there is a huge difference between a debit card and a credit card. Okay, let's say for example, you want to buy a McDonald's. McDonald's costs $10 and you have $50 saved in your checking. Instead of you go swipe $10 in your debit card, go swipe your credit card. That means you build your credit and you have money saved in case of emergency. Let's say for example, you don't have milk, you don't have gas. You can just go and swipe or get that credit card, swipe and use it instead of swiping your credit card. If you like the topic, please consider to subscribe to my channel and also to hit the like button to help my channel to grow. I miss you all. I hope you have a good weekend and I hope I will see you on my next video, which is on Friday. Thank you for all my subscribers. Thank you everybody for watching. Leave me a comment below and I appreciate everything you have done to me, and I hope you will enjoy your run out of money, for example, and you have money saved in your checking. You can't get that money finished. You need to have that emergency fund. That's why you need to have a credit card whereby you will be swiping only your credit card, and on your due date you just look at your balance in your checking account and you will decide, do you want to pay all this money you have spent on your credit card, or you can just pay a minimum. But if you have all the money in your checking and you have used all that money, you don't have a backup. So you need to have money in your checking and in your saving in order for you to have some emergency money. That's why we need to have a credit card so we can use it in case we run out of money. Thank you for watching and hit the like button if you enjoy my topic. I like to talk as simple as I can because credit card has ruined a lot of people's life, especially it's a big beast of debts in the world. If you have a lot of debts, no matter how much earning or money you make, it's always a burden and it always makes you feel down. You don't feel like you have this low esteem. We always need to lift your shoulders up. So try to pay your debt and try to use minimum money in the account. Use what you can afford to pay back. Don't go and overspend those. Don't go buy Gucci bag, Cavalli, or those, the expensive things which you cannot afford to pay back. Don't go and spend money buying those things which they appreciate. Don't swipe your credit cards at the bank. Don't pay a huge debt with your credit card and you don't have enough money in your checking. So always sit down and look how much you can afford if you swipe that credit card. Please hit the like button and also click the bell that over there to help my channel to grow, so it can ring to the whole world and let them know that I have uploaded a new video. I like to talk about credit card and debit card because people are confused, or people try to think that, oh, if I spend a credit card then it's gonna be a debt. Yes, you need a debt to be a billionaire or a millionaire. So you can't say that I will not use my credit card because I don't want to be in the debt. Use your credit card. Before you swipe, look how much money you can afford to pay back. Because if you know that I have $50 in my checking, then I need to spend $20 so I can afford to pay that back. And if you waiting for the stimulus check to pay your credit card back, I'm sorry, we don't know when we're gonna receive this stimulus check. I'm just waiting for that stimulus check too. So if you like the topic, please consider to subscribe to my channel and also to hit the like button, and I'll see you on my next video on Friday.